父さん、なぜ呼んだの？
Why did you send for me?
父さん、なぜ呼んだの？
Dad, why did you send for me?
Father, why did you send for me?
Father, why did you send for me?
じゃあ僕がこれに乗ってさっきのと戦えっていうの？
So, you're asking me to take this thing and go out there and fight?
じゃあ僕がこれに乗ってさっきのと戦えっていうの？
So what? You expect me to just get in this thing and fight? Is that it?
So then, I'm supposed to jump inside and fight whatever I saw out there?
So you want me to get inside this thing and fight that monster I just saw?
やだよそんなの。何を今更なんだよ。父さんは僕がやらないんじゃなかったの？
How can you do this to me? I thought you didn't want me. Why? Why did you have to call me now, Father?
やだよそんなの。何を今更なんだよ。父さんは僕がいらないんじゃなかったの？
But that's crazy! Why are you doing this? You never wanted me here before. Why now?
No! I don't want to! After all this time, why now? You left me because I was no use to you, right?
I don't want to do this. No way! Why are you bringing me here now? You abandoned me because you didn't need me, right?
なぜ僕を？なぜ僕なの？
But why? Why me, Dad? But why me, Father?
無理だよそんなの。見たことも聞いたこともないのにできるわけないよ。
No, I can't! I've never even seen anything like this before! There's no way I can do this!
無理だよそんなの。見たことも聞いたこともないのにできるわけないよ。
It's impossible for me. I've never even seen anything like this before. How can I be the pilot?
It's impossible for me, too. I've never even heard of this thing until now, and you want me to fight in it?
It's impossible for me, too. I've never even seen this thing before. There's no way I can pilot it.
そんなできっこないよ。こんなの乗れるわけないよ。
But still, there's no way! I can't pilot that thing!
できっこないよ。こんなの乗れるわけないよ。
No, it just won't work. I'm telling you, there's no way.
Explain? It's all too much. I cannot pilot this thing!
But there's no way I can do this. I can't learn to pilot this thing, Father.